Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Lance over here at Crucial RC, man. Hey, we're going to do the first unboxing for 2022. So let me grab my knife. And then let's get at it, y'all. So here we are. First unboxing 2022, baby. Big old box. All right, let's open this up, man. I am so excited. It took forever for this joint to get here. And as you can see, they didn't already unwrap the joint, really. Because if I got a box like this, what else could it be, right? Yeah, boy. Got another box full of goodies for my boys down up at Cardo Racing. My hair set me up. Got me nice. Yep. Got some goodies here. Some Cardo Racing stickers. A couple extra parts that I ordered here. My diff. Limited slip, bumpers, some good old Cardo Racing stickers for the wheels. I think that's all that's in here, really. Put that off to the side. Got my spoiler. Got the accessory kit. The linkages and the body mounts. We got the air intake and the heat shield and the beautiful car down inside there. All right, so here it is. Yeah, boy, we are here in 2022 with a vicious unboxing, right? I know the first thing you guys are saying, like, hold up. How? That's an xr5. You know what I mean? Like, you already got one of them. You know, what you doing with one of these xr5s? And what you doing with those tires on there? Them wheels and tires on the xr5. You know, this is all right. So let me start over, man. All right. So what happened was, I love the XR5, right? I have to get XR5 after dealing with coaches. XR5 on off-road, you know, rally car on off-road. I fell in love with it. I ain't gonna lie. So I've always had an idea that you know, I like the XR5 rally, but when I was going up to Wagner Park, you had to have a sedan, pretty much to run. Actually, I don't even know if you really need to have a sedan. I know you just had to have an on-road, but everybody had the sedans. So I went ahead and I made, I painted this, right? So y'all remember that? I painted that for Wagner Park. So I can use this and I run this on my Wagner Park car. Well, I turned around and we ended up making it a GT car. So that I want to keep as the GT car, all right? And if I want to, I could turn it into the sedan if I wanted to, right? But the thing is, I don't have a nice painted sedan body, hence getting the XS5. So I want to get this painted. Probably for my man Paul. I'm gonna try and see if he's up to the task, which I'm sure he will be. But I'm gonna try and send this out to Paul. But the rallies, I want my rally car. So I'm gonna end up turning this into the rally because it's already had the cage and the painted body by Greg. You remember Greg Datcher? He did the paint job on that one. So we have the uprights, the body mount uprights and everything for this. Matter of fact, they are over here So this is the rear one, and this is the front one. So I got the body mounts, no problem. You know what I mean? So there's no issue turning this into the rally car, especially since we already got the body. Now I could have did this one of two ways. I could have got the rally car and then tried to get the body later on and get it painted, but then I would have had two blank rally bodies. They don't need that, right? So let's look and see which one we got. All right. So you know I love my MCDs, man. Can't do without these things, y'all. Love these cars. Body off. All right, so here it is. Bam, so cut my box off, my spring supports. Good old FedEx and customs. That's what it was. Let's see my pipe. Just pull it off to the side. Instead of having it where it's supposed to be like that. Oh, go my other exhaust wrap. You know, little band for the exhaust. But that's it. All right. So as you can see, you can look and tell the arms, all composite. The diff case, composite. And you know, this has the locker in the center that's coming out, hence the reason why I got the you know, the diff, the limited slip diff over here in my goodie bag. So we are going to go extreme class with this thing. So like I said, Coach put me down. After I ran his car, y'all, I was stuck. So we're gonna go extreme with this. You guys know I sold the Losi 5T, and you remember what engine was in that? Y'all remember? You remember what engine was in the Losi 5T? Yeah, that's right, the 50. So this is gonna end up going in there, 50cc. Still waiting on the clutch carrier, MCD kit. This is an MCD kit off RC Max, but I'm still waiting for the MCD carrier here for the clutch carrier, and the whole kit. The whole kit. I have this pipe here, which is a Losi pipe. I also have another pipe for the MCD that's a raw finish. That I don't know. I may just leave this Losi pipe on there and fabricate a bracket for it. Should be no problem. But this 50cc is going in that. So I'm excited. Like I said, I'm just waiting on the clutch carrier to get anodized black to match the engine, and it will be going in here along with that limited slip diff. I got the bumper here because going off-road, this thing here does not withstand the grass and everything. It always breaks up. Matter of fact, I mean, when I had this, just picking it up wrong, you can crack this front lip here. So this is coming off. I'll keep this for the on-road up there, just in case as a spare backup, and then we'll put the bumper on. Right, we'll just throw the bumper on the front. Take this little support here off and just put a regular bumper on there, and then put the body on it. Right. Oh, that's what else I got. I also have the axle covers, you know, the little shields to go back here. So that's it, man. So needless to say, I am excited. I can't wait to get down to this build. But now you know, man. Like I said, big things are coming to the channel, man. So y'all stay tuned, and I'll catch you on the next one, y'all. All right.